I found this brand new website that will pay you instantly no matter where you're coming from. This works in the United States, Canada, India, Pakistan, Australia, the Philippines, and all over the world. You don't need any tech skills, you don't need your own website for this, and if you watch this video until the end, you will see multiple ways that you can use this brand new, fresh platform to make money online as a beginner in 2022. And besides the hundreds of different websites that we've talked about, I think this will be the best one so far. Not only because there are multiple ways you can make money with it, but it gives you the opportunity to do so many different things beyond just the ability to work from the comfort of your own home. So if you're excited about that, then do yourselves a favor by subscribing to this channel with notifications on. I'll notify you whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online worldwide. And don't forget to tap the like button so we can get to 1,000 likes as soon as possible. Anyways, the website in question is BRYBE. BRYBE is a digital marketplace where anyone can buy or sell their freelancing services or brand deals if they have some following. And they actually work with massive influencer agencies that allow them to connect with some of the biggest celebrities like Messi, Brian from FaZe Clan, Kyle Jackson, Drea Michelle, Danielle Lagarde, and more, which is pretty astonishing to be honest. According to SimilarWeb, BRYBE is being visited by over 100,000 people every single month, and all of that traffic results in thousands of dollars being made by freelancers that work from home. And some would say that BRYBE is a really similar platform to Fiverr, which is a freelancing website that we've talked about countless times on this channel. But honestly, BRYBE is a lot better and has a lot more features. One of the reasons I'm confident to say it's better is because of the competition on BRYBE. It's a lot lower than on Fiverr, meaning it will be easier to start making money when you sign up to BRYBE than on Fiverr. And by the way, later on I will show you how to use an addition bot that will do all the work for you for free so you can make money with BRYBE even if you don't have any particular skills that you can monetize on a freelancing platform. So stay tuned for that. Anyways, another reason why BRYBE differs from Fiverr and Upwork is that they don't take any cut when you make money. For instance, Fiverr takes a 20% cut of whatever you make from a sale. That means if you make $1,000, you have to pay $200 in fees to Fiverr. But with BRYBE, if you make $1,000, $1,000 stays in your pocket, which is pretty amazing. In addition to that, BRYBE has instant payments, so you don't have to wait around for weeks or months to get paid. You can literally get paid instantly and do whatever you want with your profits. And speaking of profits, let me know in the comments what you would spend your money on if you started working from home using BRYBE. What would you buy? What would you invest? How much would you save? And so on. Hearing your answers really inspires us to share more of these work-from-home methods every day. So take a second and leave a quick comment down below. Now, before I show you an additional bot that will do all the work for you, let me explain to you all the different ways you can make money with BRYBE. So first of all, you can sell services as a freelancer. You can sell writing services, graphic design, video editing, and more. Secondly, you can promote your products, services, or brands by buying shoutouts and closing brand deals with creators and influencers on BRYBE. Needless to say, but some of the influencers here have millions of followers, which is pretty powerful. Anyhow, the last way you can make money with BRYBE is by using their affiliate program that gives you up to 50% off on every closed deal that was referred to you. So if someone sells a $5,000 brand deal, you can get up to $2,500 just for referring them. To be honest, affiliate marketing is probably the easiest way to make money online. So I highly recommend you check out their affiliate program by scrolling all the way down to the bottom of the website. Then click on affiliates and it will take you to this page. Here you can see that joining their affiliate program is free. They always pay on time. They have different tiers that will allow you to gradually increase your revenue and progress over time. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways that we can make money with this channel. So if you want to learn more about that, then make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. Now, let's say, for example, you opt in to make money with BRYBE by selling freelancing services. All you would need to do is come to BRYBE.com, click on the sign up button right here, select I'm an influencer, accept their terms of service, and continue. Now, keep in mind that if you want to maximize your results and make money with BRYBE in the long term, then you need to work on customizing and improving your profile. So do your best to complete your profile, be professional, describe your audience, skills, and experience, and create a packaged offer that would be appealing to people wanting to buy something of that nature. Once you log in, you will be able to see all of these different services that people are providing and making money. If you, for example, go to the graphic design section, you'll see people selling their services for hundreds of dollars, and most of them are getting lots of sales. As I mentioned before, the competition on BRYBE is low, but the demand for these services is growing exponentially. Now, as I promised you, I will show you a free tool that you can use to get these services completed for yourself so that you don't have to worry about doing the work on your own. For this, you will need to go to the Writing Services section over here, where you can clearly see that people are making thousands of dollars by writing articles and blog posts. Instead of you doing all that hard work, and instead of you sitting down hours every day to write those articles, you can just use this bonus tool called WriteSonic. WriteSonic has features called AI Article Writer, where you can generate articles with one click of a button. All you got to do is enter the topic of the article that your clients are paying for on Bright, click Generate Ideas, go through these 4 steps, and BRYBE will generate an entire article for you. So let's say someone paid you $40 for that writing service to write an article. This would mean that you got paid instantly on BRYBE and you didn't even have to do that work yourself. So that's just one example of the services you can complete on BRYBE. Obviously, the more of them that you list for sale, the higher chance of making money you will have. So I highly recommend you spend some time researching on the platform. Watch some of their tutorials and learn more, and read articles to gain more knowledge. In fact, I will leave a 30-minute long tutorial made by BRYBE themselves that will help you understand a little bit more about how they operate and how you can use it properly for the best results possible. Just make sure that your listings are high quality and make sure that you're doing a great job delivering those services, and this platform will reward you. Once again, this is BRYBE.com. You can sign up right now and start making money in many different ways, or just grow your brand and company by closing brand deals with some of the most influential creators and celebrities in the world, including Messi and other superstars. Thanks so much for watching.